Alright guys, welcome back. This is the second part of your 4.1. You can do all this in one day, but I recommend that you listen to part A, go do your assignments, come listen to part B, and then finish your assignment, okay? Otherwise, it's a lot of material. So let's go ahead and start. We've already done our warm-up, reviewing some notes. Here's your base, here's your exponent, there's your solution. There's always an understood one in front of that. Alright, before we continue on, I'm going to go do the problem that I forgot how to do. Remember that? Alright, so go to this one right here that it was blank. And let me do that one with you quickly before we get started. Alright, this one did not give us an equation, but we know it's a decay because it's going from here to here, you're going down. Okay, so you got your domain, your range, your end behavior, and all that. Now, your equation is based off this one right here. Y equals A, B to the X. You guys got that? You already know A is 10. How do you know? Because based on the graph, it's crossing at 0, 10. Okay? Because you're using this point already, you need to go find another point. And the next easiest point I can see is this one right here, 1 and 2. Your X is 1 and your Y is 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug it in. Oop, my fault. You're going to plug it into this equation. Y is 2 equals your A is 10. Don't know what B is. Raised to the X, which is 1. Do you see how you have B by itself? You can now solve for B. Anything to the first power is itself. So you got 10B equals 2. How do you solve for B? Divide both sides by 10. B is equal to 1 over 5. Okay? Oh, my fault. So therefore, you have a B, you have an A, you can now write the equation. So the equation is Y equals 10 times B, which is 1 over 5, raised to the X. And there's your equation. Okay? Y equals 10, B is 1 to the 5th, 1/5, raised to the X. And there you have your equation for that problem. All right, now let's go on into the second half, part B. Okay, go back to your assignments again, your notes. Go to where we start identifying the key characteristic right there. Okay. All right, now we are going to talk about the minimum, the maximum, interval increasing, interval decreasing, and the horizontal asymptote. And let me refresh your memory on the horizontal asymptote. Okay. For this one, you just have to look at the C right here. If there's a number, it's going to lift it up or down. Okay? So, let's go ahead and start. Your minimum is your lowest point, and what is your minimum? It is at 0. Your maximum is your highest point, and what is your maximum? It's going all the way to infinity. Okay? Looks very similar to your range regarding this. Interval increasing. Which part of the graph is increasing? Well, if you're looking at the graph from left to right, remember we start left, we go to the right. The whole thing is going up. So your interval increasing is all real numbers. Well, if they're increasing the whole time, it's never going to decrease. So put NA. Do not leave it blank, put NA. Your horizontal asymptote, if you're looking at it, do you see how your C, you don't have a number? So your HA is equal to Y is equal to 0. Okay? It is never going to cross Y. Y goes up and down right here at 0. All right. Next example, let's look at this one. Okay, remember we're doing the second half. Your minimum starts at 0. Your Y, your maximum goes all the way to positive infinity. So negative, positive, negative, okay? This whole graph is going down, so I'm going to go from negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can write all real numbers. Well, if it's, oh, I'm so sorry. I wrote that wrong. My fault. It is decreasing the whole time, negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can write all real numbers like 2 line with the letter R. So if it's decreasing the whole time, it is never increasing. I got that backward, my fault. And your horizontal asymptote, Y is equal to 0. Okay? Next example, this is the one that we came up with the equations ourselves. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Your minimum, where's your minimum? Right here at 0, going all the way to positive infinity. Your interval increasing, well, it's not increasing left to right, the whole thing is going down, all real numbers, and your horizontal asymptote is 0, because I don't have a C here, okay? This thing didn't move up. Next example, notice this time you have a 3, okay? This is your horizontal asymptote. Alrighty. Your graph starts at 3, that's the minimum, going all the way to positive infinity. This whole graph is increasing, so therefore it's never decreasing. Your horizontal asymptote, you see that number? So y is equal to 3. Okay. And there you have that part. I strongly encourage you to do part of this and then do the other part after the video. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and you guys are good to go. Have a great day.